Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Rondevo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in rondevo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Rondevo website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and use your credentials to log into your account. Now, once you are inside the home page, you will see various profiles. From this page, if you wish to delete your account, click on your profile at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now, from the settings page, right at the very top, you will find deactivate my account. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to deactivate your account. Now, if you are certain about deleting your account, then you will need to enter your password within the password box. Just type in your account password and click on the deactivate button and your account will be deactivated. However, you can still access it back again if you log back in. In order to permanently delete your account, you will need to contact the support team for Rondevo. Scroll all the way down from the website and you will find the customer support email. You can simply copy this email address and then compose a new email from the email address that you used to sign up. Just type in that you want to delete your account and then make sure to mention delete my account within the subject and just wait for their response. And once you receive response from the support team, you will find the instructions that you need to follow to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on Rondevo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.